What is up, my Soulfly family? Hope you guys doing well today. Please, if you haven't already, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button and go follow me on TikTok, Instagram at Soulfly Sector while you're at it. And this is your host, Soulfly Sector, checking in for another video. Hope you guys doing well, being safe, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys are having a Soulfly day. Today, for this video, you guys already see it on the thumbnail. Finally, we have a special unboxing, sort of, for this video. Please hold up. Boom, we have our gloves. Wearing the orange on hand and on body, all that. And here's my right here, unboxing knife. Be safe with knives, kids out there. Be careful. So, vamos a unbox un special pair of zapatos today.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
And, but look, don't sleep on my last video, because it's really nice. Go check it out. Go peep the Syracuse dunk unboxing. Very dope. Go check that out right now. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. Great video and all that good stuff. Shout out to my sneaker wall in the back. All these bricks behind me. Oof. But we're not catching that bricks today for this video. So, by all means, let's get into this unboxing. So, I went on Champ Sports and someone told me these sneakers are sitting that I wanted, because I did catch that L on the sneakers app. It is what it is. It happens, but it's okay. We got the sneakers. Yo gané para estos zapatos. Aquí.
He's a crazy lady.
I got them, so it's all good from there. So, we already unboxed it.
Bruh.
And I dropped it. So, got our receipt right there. Got them from Champ Sports, as you see. And let's dig in. Got our hand sanitizer there. Wipe it off real quick. Yeah. Y aquí están los Jordan sneakers right here. Finally. So, I don't have this model, but I finally have it. And I'm finally unboxing it. Finally. What do we have? Ooh. You see that? We finally have a pair of Jordan 7s. These are the Flint Jordan 7s. So the Flint Jordan 7s are a kind of a OG sneaker because they released back in 2006, like I think May of 2006, like something like that. But man, it's crazy that they re-released, re-dropped finally, and that nice charcoal gray and flint gray, I don't know, hyperspace gray, with that Concord purple on the tongue there. I mean, well, on the tongue there, and the purple Jumpman on there, and the nice backside of the Jordan 7s. This is a so fly sneaker in my opinion. Really, really slight on the colorway and really nice with the nice hits of suede. That's a nice, good plush suede, if you ask me. Very plush, very nice, and let's get it going. Can't wait to show you guys these on feet. I will be doing on feet of these on feet, just so you know. A little thing. Just look at that. Look at that suede. Ooh, the strokes of suede right there. Ooh, nice quality, man. Okay, the leather isn't, plush, isn't that nice plush leather as we know it, but man, but here, I'm gonna tell you a little something. Jordan 7s are my fourth favorite Jordan model, and it's crazy to me that I didn't get a pair of Jordan 7s in the past or right now, since I finally am working and this and that, you know, and all that. But I don't know why I just didn't cop a pair. Like I said, I took the L on the sneakers app, but in the past they did release like the Hair 7s. They did release, that like, um, hmm, I think they released the Ray Allen 7s as well that I didn't pick up. I don't know why, because those were nice as well, and I don't know why I didn't buy those. I don't know. I don't know. My decisions here and there are kind of like trash. So sorry, but yeah. I don't know why I didn't pick up a pair of Jordan 7s because they are my fourth favorite model, like I said. But look, like the only thing that matters is that I got these Flint Jordan 7s, and maybe in the past, I mean, sorry, scratch that, reverse it.
Strike that. Reverse it.
And maybe in the future, I'll purchase the Ray Allen Jordan 7s and the Chinese New Year's that I took the L on, right? But man, I finally have them in my house, in my possession right now. You know, that nice gray suede on there, the white against that white and purple, oof, and the little hints of like the Jordan 7s there. But dang, uh, those little hits, the little scratches there, like, little, ah man. Um, I'm sorry, I'm just looking at these like they're just, I can't believe I have a pair now. Ah,
Bruh,
ah,
bruh, 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 bruh,
achoo.
bruh.
I'm just kidding. Thumbnail action, thumbnail action. But just a little, story. I was interested in the like Raptor Jordan 7s that released back in 2012 when I was still in high school, and I seen them in a lot of people's feet, like from my high school and stuff like that. And I was like, I really liked those because they were like a heavy hitter. And back then, they also released the Olympic Jordan 7s as well. And those were like another heavy hitter for me. But my favorite Jordan 7 of all time is the Citrus Jordan 7 that released also in
Bruh.
2006 as well. And like the Jordan 7 Flints that released
Bruh.
back in 2006. Yeah, yeah, those Citrus 7s, really nice. But those Raptor 7s are like a lot of people were wearing back in the day in high school and the beginning of college years, like those really got me into Jordan 7s and also the True Flights did get me into Jordans as well when I didn't know a lot about shoes, like back in, I don't know, 2013, like around there. I really like the True Flights as well because they kind of look like Jordan 7s in a way. But that's just my opinion. I know a lot of people will probably flame me in the comments of saying that. But yeah, that's just my story, my iconic story about the Jordan 7. I I just really like the model, and that makes it my fourth favorite model of the Jordans. So, hope you guys enjoy this on feet. So, hope you guys enjoyed that on feet, and hope you guys enjoy this video. This is definitely a so fly shoe right here. Please, if you're new, leave a like in this video and go comment down below of whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Go comment right now. I love to hear what are your thoughts about these Flint Jordan 7s and what and just like what are your thoughts of the on feet and all that good stuff, fun stuff there. And most importantly as well, go subscribe to this channel. Please hit that subscribe button down below for me, for SoFly Sector. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Me voy and vámonos.